Hi everyone. This week we'll be looking at health. Above all things, God wants us to be healthy. When we are healthy, we will recognize that our minds are more clear to hear what God has to tell us. So our first topic we'll be looking at is a very uncomfortable topic, which is none other than constipation. Constipation is defined as a condition in which there is difficulty in emptying the bowels, usually associated with hardened feces. Now, there are many effects when we are suffering from constipation on our bodies. Now, let's take a look at some of those effects. Firstly, let us look at infections. If you end up being constipated, you are probably having trouble passing a stool. If the stool has become dried and hard from lack of moisture, it could make having a bowel movement very painful. When the rectum is stretched out to accommodate a painful stool, the rectum could stay open, resulting in a rectal prolapse. This could lead to an infection. Another effect that constipation have on our body is bad breath. One unusual side effect is bad breath. You may wonder how a condition that is occurring at one end of your body could affect the complete opposite end of your body. But it can. What happens is the gases and toxic waste that are building up because you are constipated rises up, and as it goes throughout the body, it usually ends up in the mouth. Let us look at another effect that constipation have on your body. It lowered ratio and healthy bacteria. Now, healthy bacteria in your body is called flora. The purpose of flora is to help with the production of vitamins and help with your immune system. When you are constipated, the amount of flora in your intestine is reduced, putting you at risk for illness and infection. Another one is colon cancer. The colon is meant to store a couple of pounds of stools. If you become constipated, there is a buildup of stools and put the colon at risk for ripping. When colon becomes strained because of its overloaded, it strains the inner membrane, ruptures, the possible infection occur, and it could lead to colon cancer. Another one that is very common is hemorrhoids. When you are constipated, you may find yourself trying too hard to push out a stool. That can result to a hemorrhoid. A hemorrhoid is a swollen vein that can be found around the bottom of your rectum. They can result in extreme pain, difficulty sitting in a chair, and uncomfortably itching. There are over-the-counter treatment for this, but something that you can use for this that is very natural, you can use aloe vera. Now you take out the gel from the aloe vera, and then you take that gel and pass it on your rectum. And we know that aloe vera won't have any side effects. Now, let us look at some treatment, some natural treatments for constipation. First of all, as you may know, drinking water. I believe in natural remedies. And one of the natural remedies for constipation, as we all may know, is drinking water. Now, the saying is water is life. If we do not drink sufficient water, then our stool will not be moistured enough, and it will result of painful discharge when you go to the toilet. Let me give you another natural thing that you can do to help with constipation. Now, you may all know about Sene. Now, if you don't, here's a picture of it. You can get it in your health stores. Now, you make a tea called Sene tea with the Sene, charcoal, and blackstrap molasses. Now, if you use it with the Sene alone, you will have a bowel movement in about 6 hours. But the whole complete mixture, it allows you to also to clean the colon. Another thing you can use is prunes. Now, what you can do with the prunes, you can put some prunes in a bowl and throw warm water on the prunes, allow it to sit for a little while, and then you drink the prune juice and eat the prune. That will help you in your bowel movements also. Now, our skin tells us a lot what is going on inside of us. So if we realize that we're having a lot of acne and skin irritations, let us try cleaning the inside. And one of the very first things you can clean is your colon. Make sure that all that built up fecal matter is discharged and that you have a clean colon. And then you can target cleaning other parts of your body. But for the constipation part, please try these few tips and let me know if you have tried it, if you find any result. So may God bless you as we continue to live a healthy life.